outcome definition, outcome in a sentence, outcome pronunciation, outcome meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of outcome. 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 Outcome as a noun means the way things turn out, or a consequence. Common usages in academic writing: a favorable outcome, a surprising outcome, a desirable outcome, review the outcomes, the outcome of a study. Example sentences: outcome, noun. A surprising outcome of the 2014 study was the number of businesses that made systematic changes to their operating procedures. Example sentence number 2. We had hoped that the outcome of our study would yield insights into how the first multicellular organisms developed. Please write a sentence using outcome in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of outcome, the meaning of outcome, and outcome example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video. Bye!